Yes, please.
Yeah, so I am currently doing the Unit 2 of financial accounting. And yeah, I'm just working my way through it basically, because I've gone through like the videos online.
Okay, great.
Yeah, and trying to get the assignments bits done now, but I'm just a bit confused with certain things.
No problem. We'll go through. Yes, thank you. Thanks for introducing me. My name is Anjum. I'm working with UK Versity last 6-7 years now. And I'm also teaching other places such as the University of Bradford. So please always feel free. If you have any question, you can ask. We can book one-to-one. Yes. And we can go through the things accordingly. Yes. So of course, this is the tutorial. I'll go through the things. Is it your accounting 1 or 2 we're looking? Sorry.
Accounting 2.
Okay, brilliant. I'll just go through and I'll share with you the slides. I'm just following as it is. Those are given on our Moodle page, which is we prepared earlier.
Yes.
Okay. Normally during recording, I just stop the video. So it's reduced a bit, the space while the recording.
Okay. Yeah.
But feel free, you can ask any question you want to ask, as many you want.
Yeah.
So of course we are looking accounting, financial accounting unit 2. Can you see? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, which I just share with you in a minute. Let's close some extra bit and pieces. Okay, brilliant. How's weather you're in? We are expecting rain. Huh? I'm based in Leeds, so.
Oh yeah, I'm based in Leeds as well. Yeah.
Oh, great. It's just a coincidence. Good. Oh, brilliant. You're local, huh?
It is. I think it's raining at the moment.
Yeah, that's why I went out, because it's some work going around my house. So
yeah.
Want to make sure, the things tidy.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Just 2 minutes. Brilliant. Okay, we'll discuss more at the end. Okay, so I'll share with you. Okay, welcome. So during our delivery, we had a good few lessons. Hope you went through. Have you went through lesson 1, lesson 2, 3, and yes?
Yeah, I've gone through the different lessons. Yeah.
Any particular question in lesson you would like to ask?
To be honest, because I kind of like did the AATE, and I did a bit of the financial.
Okay.
So I kind of like have an understanding of like the double entry and all these things. I think my main problem is to tackle the questions in the assignments bit.
No problem. We'll go through accordingly. Great. So you've done your level 2, level 3 AAT?
Yeah, I did level 4 as well. I just didn't do the synoptic exam.
Oh, yes, they're going to change you. I teach, I taught number of years. Huh?
All right, yeah.
In local in Leeds and local here. Okay, let's Brilliant. Okay, no worries. You can ask as many questions. So double entry bookkeeping, lesson 1, lesson 2. So I can quickly, give a little snapshot. Yes. So we have a command verb. Yes.
Yeah.
As you learn in writing skill in AAT level 4. Yes.
Yeah.
So that's, compare, explain, analyze. Yes. That's, analysis, which we can look around. Sole trader partnership, limited company. You already in level 3 and level 4. Yes. Draw financial statement and partnership. You done this. So sole trader 1, partnership 2 to 20, partnership act 1890. Company normally is Company Act 2006. Yes. Private, public, limited. Non-profit charities like, the charity commissions. Yes. These are the basic, Yeah, which we have the background knowledge. We prepare four types of financial statement. You already know this according to IAS-1 International Accounting Standard 1, which you learn in draft financial statement AAT level 4. The statement of comprehensive income, we also call income statement, financial position, also known as balance sheet, cash flow. Yes. And because it's a finance, so finance consists of mix, because it's more no such as a legislation which we have to follow, but we have to look around in our internal rules as well. Okay, because it's a part of more focus. Okay, so we can look around manufacturing accounts, which normally companies prepare, and these are all our indicative content, what we're supposed to cover under this learning outcome is LO1. So each lesson is consists of each learning outcome. Okay, so lesson 1 is learning outcome 1. Okay, so we had a bit discussion on these. Even these are the slides, BPP, yes, ATHE we use as well, which is quite similar. I embedded those. Okay, any question these which you went through? No question, huh? Sorry, I can't hear you. You muted.
Sorry, not on this bit. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. That's fine. I just want to quickly look, and when we'll do assignment, I'll cross-reference. Okay, these are I included the structures, how we can, if you have a partnership account, how we can prepare, partners, yes, allocation, residual profits, and things. So then, this was our lesson 1, key focus on these points. Huh? Then we'll go through assignment. That's the main thing. But I just want to refer you these lessons.
No, that's fine. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so then we have lesson 2. Each, you will see here 2.1, which is mean assessment criteria 2.1. Yes, exactly. The in assignment we can look around the term accounting, what is meant by bookkeeping, role of accountant, role of bookkeepers. Yes, that's the key which we double entry bookkeeping we mentioned. Yes, and you learn about these documents in your transaction.
So I'm just transferring to my laptop. Sorry.
No problem. Okay, you already know that click debit and credit. And I included some examples in accounting equations, yes, and some key as well examples embedded. So that's our lesson 2 where we look. And then we have lesson 3. In lesson 3, we look around, be able to financial statement, different types of organizations. Yes. So that's we can prepare those. Yeah. And we had a discussion about doubtful debt, adjustment entry, different financial statement. I included Tesco's, Morrison, yeah. Because in assignment, you just need to add, some examples. So those are there. And I'll give you some samples as well. Huh? Those will help you to prepare your own. Okay, then we have, that was lesson 3. And then we have a last lesson, which was lesson 4. Technique, measure the performance. We learn about ratios. Yes. Companies in level 4, already ratios, profitability, liquidity, use of resources. Yes. And gearing ratios. So this is our LO4. Okay, so we included some examples in our lessons. And then we had a lesson about assignment discussion. That's the key. Okay, that's assignment guidance. And then we have here some recommended books. Okay, which we'll look now. And we'll see, they uploaded the samples for you or not. Okay, so this is our assignment brief. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, if you look here, we've been given little scenario. You are employed in the financial accounting, medium size, yes, organization. In your local area, you have work, for the firm last 5 years and very, yes, positive feedback. You have the firm introduce the bonus scheme and they want you to prepare some, hand out some answers of these questions. Huh? That's the key.
Okay, so with the assignment, is it these questions? Because I started,
Yes.
but then I wasn't sure if it's these questions that I was meant to be answering.
Yes, you're looking, compare the capital structure of different organizations. When we're saying capital structure mean debt and equity, yes. We can, I will locate, I will send you some sample assignment for this unit.
Okay.
Okay, that will help you.
Yeah.
Explain and how particular capital structures, look around the capital structure organization, prepare the financial reporting statement. So you can include some statement of like profit and loss, like balance sheet. Yes. So it can be any example.
Compare the capital structure for different organizations. Does that mean in the sense of sole traders, partnership, and all those?
Yes, you can. That's a different types. Yes, types of organizations, different organizations, which is fine. Or you want to look around Morrison and Tesco, you can. Okay. Then you have prepare the financial statements. Yes. Reporting statements like profit and loss, balance sheet. You can add example. You even don't prepare yourself. You can add it to some examples such as, yes. Okay. Like Morrison Tesco has done, which I'll show you how we can. Explain double entry, double entries, what is meant by, you can look around that click, you can add some examples, yes, which is given in our lessons as well. Double entry is every debit have a credit, that click, yes. Yeah. The asset increase, you can include some entries to demonstrate these. Using double entry records, financial transaction, prepare the trial balance. I included the example in my lessons as well, trial balance. We do double entries and all double entries, all the ledgers we can reconcile into the trial balance. Yes, so that can be our example. So when we look underneath, is our task one. If you look here, what you've been given, it's given 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, which is mean learning outcome 1, lesson 1. That's the relevant for this. Okay.
Right. Okay.
Then 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 is our lesson 2. Right. In our lesson, we divide our discussion accordingly, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Okay. So yeah, that's you can answer those questions. And if you want to work towards merit criteria, higher grades, yes, which is 70% in, because AAT is a 70% pass, but here is the 70% mean merit. Huh?
Okay.
To achieve the merit, yes, handbook must how change the capital structure with the organization impact the financial reporting. So if you change your capital structure, you have a more debt, more equity, it will impact on the balance sheet. Yes, it will impact on the liability.
So sorry. So does this mean, so whatever I'm gonna explain down here to achieve merit,
yes,
does it mean that the question at the top is to do like a profit and loss and then kind of like compare and assess?
So you can say, yes, you compare it to achieve the merit. Which you can say, okay, oh, company A has this capital structure, company B, they have more liability, they have this, yes, if they borrow many more and so on. So yes, that's, you can, but I'll locate 2-3 samples for you, okay, which will send you. Okay, then you have decided to prepare the business, yes, case study showing prepare the financial reporting statement of different types of organization. Describe the non-current asset, non-current asset, yes. If you want, if you look in your book, non-current asset register, which is very easy for me to refer you AAT, because AAT, yes. Non-current
Yeah.
asset register, you can give the examples. Huh? Like, you
Have
have
we got any
extended, you prepare extended trial balance, where you prepare the profit and loss. If you pick, the example, you can put it here. It's fine.
Okay. So is it me that will be choosing where I'm getting my answers from? And do they need to see where the answers, not the answers, where the questions are coming from?
Yes. So you can put the reference as well, the source of information where you collect the data, huh? Like a book name, author's name, a Harvard reference. Huh?
Okay.
Then you can look around and prepare. Okay, so for this one, it's easy for you. If you follow lesson 3, you've been given adjustments. You've been given, yes, non-current asset register as well in lesson 3. You see here 3.1, 3.3, and 3. That's, that is, if you do these, you're addressing this task and you're a pass.
Wow.
And if you want to work towards merit, you can look around different components of financial statements. The current asset, current liabilities, yes, non-current liabilities, yes, these, which you can add the statement, you can say, oh, yes, they have more. You can compare with 1 and 2s. Yeah. That will help you to achieve the merit. Okay, then you have LO3. Task 3. Yes.
Yeah.
Task 3 is based on the lesson 4. If you look underneath, so you can open the lesson 4 slides, is all about the ratios, financial performance, efficiency of the specific organization. You can say Tesco, Asda, are the company of your choice. And I included some examples on our Moodle page. I can send you more data if you want, like a Kaplan handouts, you can pick, the question as examples and you can include. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can snip it, yes, and you can look around and you can include in the Word document, and underneath you can expand them.
Oh.
Okay, that will help to address it. Any question until now?
No.
Okay. To achieve merits, you can look around quantitative and qualitative measure to assess the performance. In level 4 in your decision, management decision and control your unit, yes, you learn about BSC, balanced scorecard model. Yes.
Yeah.
So we can look around the financial, we can look around customer perspective, we can look around, yes, various internal innovation perspective and things. So if you want, I can give you the Kaplan cards. Within that, you have example, you can quote it. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
That's, address. So because that's a merit, yes, you say quantitative mean the numbers, which is the financial ratios, the number, but the qualitative mean you have to look around other microeconomics factor like political, economic, social, technological, like you've been given sometimes scenario in your synoptic, yeah, where when you're making the decision, you're not looking only the financial ratio, you're looking what is happening currently in maybe ratio is really good and then COVID-19 happened. Huh? So we have to look around not only the qualitative, we have to look around the quantitative as well. Huh? Qualitative as well, not just quantitative.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it like, base rate affect, your performance in future? Huh? At the moment, Bank of England increased the base rate to 5%. Huh? That can be in your discussion even. You got me?
Yeah.
Okay. That's your merit. Yes. If you want distinctions to achieve, must compare the financial performance, SMEs, financial indicators, and work the practical example. If you give the more practical example, 1 or 2 organization or 3 organization like Morrison, Tesco, Asda, A, B, C, any companies, yes. So you are going to get the distinction, which is mean 80+% your marks.
Okay.
Okay.
So what it says to achieve, essentially, you must compare and contrast the financial performance
of
for
SME, which is small medium enterprise. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
No worries, whichever company you've picked, as long. If you want really good, you look here. Suggested evidence. Each learner, what you supposed to do in this. Yes, you see there?
Yeah.
So that's you've been given the guidance here as well, the buzzwords. Yes, which you can focus some of them in your writing. Yes, what is LO2, what is LO3? Because that LO is tested under the task.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the way, the assignment work. Okay, so I just want, I'll take you back now. I'll see, they uploaded the sample or not, but if not, I'll give you. Okay, this was our unit specification, which we learned.
What is the pass mark?
It's 40%.
Okay.
Because normally pass marks is 40%. Yes. So
yeah.
Really, if you're addressing the task, answering those questions, you pass. If you're not pass, we can say, come on, you have to add more stuff in it. Yes.
Right, okay. Yeah.
So that's we can say, come on, here you can add, or what you can do, even writing your assignment, send to me. I can say, come on, you can look this chapter and this sentence from this place. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So what I'll do, I will locate 2 samples assignment for you for this unit. Okay. I will send you. Are you okay in terms of reference, do things, table of contents? I think so. You know how to create. Huh?
I've looked from the video that you did. I didn't know how to do it, but I just kind of like looked the video that you did.
Okay. I don't know why they not uploaded the guidance template, but you will see here we did. Yes.
Yeah.
Everyone, let's start our last lesson, which is learn. So we're in accounting.
Yes, so I just demonstrated in my this.
So
we said, you can create the template. Yes. So you can write a little bit introduction, like, the financial accounting, the importance of financial accounting has significant increase due to the competition between organizations as significant in 21st century. We're living in a global village. Yes. And we have a lot of rules and this. Yes. So you can give a little in this assignment, you will explore about the financial statements and the company's performance. Yeah. That's a little introduction, and your task 1, then you can, yes, look around trader partnerships and those, yes. And according to your, so then I demonstrate
organization which mentioned your child involved as the limited
yes. So you will see there, I just demonstrated.
So
yes.
Here in the task 1, so you have key command word compare, explain, analyze, explain.
Yeah. So these command word you know already. Yes. Which yes. So I included a document, which is OCR example about explain, but you done the quizzes like a writing skill in AAT. Yeah. About the command word, when we'll say explain, when we'll say discuss, when we'll say yes.
Yeah.
So these I included examples, and I'll send you that template. Then I said, if you want to find something about sole trader, something about financial, so write their financial ratios in the Google search. Next to that, write the word Kaplan. The Kaplan is a publisher.
Yeah.
So like if I'll say financial statements. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I'll write next to this Kaplan. Sorry, I'm not on the other computer. Otherwise, I'll share you straight away. I have this laptop, so I'm using from the Moodle, my own resources. I'll send you all. So if you look here, yes. So you've been given, I can say source is my this, yes. And according to Kaplan, yes, if you can't find the year, you can put 2023. Yes, they said about what is, yes, if you need to explain something. If you look following chapters, you have different links you can find. So that's we have a books as well. So you can look around exactly the same financial ratios, stakeholders, because different stakeholders expectation in the ratios we look as well. Yes, because, like investor interpret, looking, investing. Yes, they're more interesting in different ratios than others. So if we'll go back, you can find few links. You will see their interpretation of financial statement, which is mean financial ratios. Even in
Right.
if you right click it, you can take the image, you can throw in this assignment. You can say as yes, in figure 1, figure 2. Yes, like I demonstrated in my assignment.
Yeah.
Then you can add, and that's your other task. So wherever, yes. So you can pick from example. If you don't want to, you can pick it some here. Yeah, you've been given some.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's better to be actual company. You can pick it. It will be more latest. Huh? You can say Morrison or Tesco or Asda. Yes, they have these ratios. Even you can, if you type, if you're really struggling to find the data. Yes. Why not?
Okay. Are these like things I can use as well? Hello? Hello? Sorry, Andrew, can you hear
sorry.
me? Oh.
I don't know what's happened. I'm muted. Oh, maybe.
Yeah, it was on mute for some time.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so what you can do, like here, you can look around the financial ratio. You can say according to poll, yes, B, and you will see the journal was published in the year, yes.
Yeah.
You can look around, you can pick some words, according to poll, yes, had demonstrated, highlighted the importance of financial ratios in the business world, yeah.
Right.
Okay, if you want to reference, I'm not saying you must, but you can do some. Any question?
No. So basically, whatever I'm doing for this assignment, I can find through like different, like for example, Kaplan and things like that.
Yeah.
Use that kind of like example of organizational structure, and I can just add to it and compare.
Just really, you know, getting the information, writing in your own words and putting the reference.
Right.
Okay. I'm going to send you a few assignment old, yes, sample.
Okay.
As a sample that will help you. Don't,
okay.
You can get the ideas, but use different companies example.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
okay.
Like if it's written there, Morrison, you can pick Tesco. If it's written Tesco, you can pick others. Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
so when I'll send to you when I'm done.
Yes, no problem.
When would you want me to send it by?
No problem. You can send me anjum@ukversity.co.uk.
Yeah. Around what time do you want me to send it to you? Next week?
No problem. Within 2 weeks. Yes.
Okay.
Because as quick you send me, I'll mark and send to the external. Yes. We internally validate and then send, and we can carry on sign off your units. Yes. So like a tick box.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So does that mean after this paper,
yes,
because that's the only paper I have for level 4.
Yes.
Am I gonna have like a certificate after this and then start?
I'm not sure how many units they ask you must do, because they gave you all other exemptions. IFA one.
Yeah, I've got exemptions. I think I've got about 7 to do, but for level 4, this was the only one I needed to do.
Okay, brilliant. Then they ask you maybe do level 5 some.
Yeah, I think I've got 1 in level 5 or 2.
Okay.
And then I move to the other one.
The level 6. Okay. Because, depend what level certification you're looking to get it from IFA. And then these qualification will, of course, is match. And you will get, afterwards your practice license and things.
Okay. So is it after everything that you get like a certificate, or after every level?
Yes, you will get the certificate that you pass these units. Yes.
Okay.
And then the IFA will say, okay, no, you're entitled based on your experience, based on your units you pass with our approved qualification. And then they will say, no, you're entitled the practice license. Huh?
Okay. All right.
That's the process. Like
it's the first time someone recommended IFA because I was struggling with AAT. Like I did all the papers, but I struggled to pass like the
you do IFA, but I suggest you personally don't leave your synoptic. We can assist you if you need help.
Right, because the synoptic, I'm on the old one, 2016. I struggled to pass the synoptic, so I literally just